Okay. So we can start maybe. Thank you for attending this webinar about our program in Bachelor in International Management. So I am Adèle Pruvot, International Admission Manager, and I am here with Elsa Belloncle, who is the Director of the program International Management.
Hello, everyone.
So I will shortly present the school, and then I will let the floor to Elsa in order she can explain you the content of the program. So let's change the slide. So IM Normandy Business School is a French business school founded in 1871, so which makes it one of the oldest business schools. The school has been ranked 16 on the French ranking and 71st in QS World University ranking. And we have got the double accreditation AACSB and EQUIS, which are the main international accreditation. We also have 5 campuses in 3 countries. So we will talk about it a bit later. So I will tell you some key figures about the school. So currently 4,500 students are registered in the school, including 700 international students from 50 different nationalities. And we also have more than 200 partner universities in 65 countries. So these facts can be interesting for you because it means that we have a lot of different destinations, and it's good to know for your exchange year. Another important fact, we have more than 18,500 members in our alumni network. So it's quite important. And also the network, the partners companies network is about 5,000 companies. So we are receiving a lot of job and internship offers from them, which is quite interesting. So our 5 campuses are located in 3 countries. So we have 3 campuses in France. So 2 of them are located here in north of France in the Normandy region. And 1 campus is located in Paris. So Elsa will tell us more about the campus in Le Havre, because the Bachelor in International Management is located in this campus in Le Havre. So yeah, you can see here in the picture the new campus, which will be open from September. So it will be a very modern and nice campus. And also it's located in Le Havre, which is one of the biggest ports in France and also in Europe. And this is a perfect ecosystem to study logistics and international trade. So we will talk about it later. And we have also 2 other campuses in UK, one in Dublin and one in Oxford. So Elsa, I let you the floor to talk about the content of the program.
Okay, so the Bachelor is a 3-year program. So when you will enter our program, you will be in the first year in our new campus in Le Havre, and you will have core management courses. I mean marketing, human resources, international trade, accounting, economics, for instance. And you will also have many courses international oriented. So this is to prepare you for the second year, because during the second year, you will go abroad. You will go and study in one of our partner universities. We have many destinations. I think that just now we have 32 destinations, but it can change from one year to another one. You will have, of course, foreign language courses, and also a dedicated course like preparation to international studies. So this is an important part of the program, as you are in a Bachelor in International Management. We are also very interested in preparing you for the professional life. So from the first year, you will have dedicated courses. It's more workshops than courses. It's what we call the career path. I'm gonna talk a bit, yes, I can detail it now. So what is the career path? It's a specific program where you will have to think about the future, what can be your professional future. And it's normal when you enter not to have a very precise idea of what you want to do later. So we will help you to identify your professional project, and we will work on it. We will also work with you to optimize your resume and also to prepare your professional interviews. So this is useful to prepare also the interviews for the internship, because during the first year, at the end of this first year, you will have an internship. It's the duration is between 6 weeks and 3 months. And that's also very important to prepare you to the professional life. So two main pillars, I mean international and professional. And in our school, we are also very associative, life-oriented. It's an important part of the life of a student when you study in schools like ours. So during the semester 1, you will have specific courses. It's project management. And then you can choose to be part of a project, of an associative project in our school. We have many, can be about many things: sustainable development, marketing. You can also go abroad to support an action, a cause. So it can it's very diversified. So you choose one project, and during all the year, you will work on this project. So these are our three main characteristics of our program during the first year. And then during the second year, you will go abroad for the total year, as you can see on the PowerPoint. And when you come back, you can choose between different options. So one is in French, logistics, and international trade. Maybe at the end of the second year, maybe your level of French will be good enough to enter this option. But if it's not, you can choose an option 100% taught in English. This one is international business. You can also choose to get a double degree abroad. And right now we have 2 partner universities, one in Norway and another one in Germany. But this is going to change because we are working on developing new partnerships. You also have another option, which is a cooperative track. This means that you enter an apprenticeship track. So you work in a firm, in a French firm, during 3 weeks, and then you have courses for 1 week, and this every month during the year. During the 3rd year, you will have a compulsory internship. It lasts from 3 to 5 months, just to give you a strong experience for your professional future. If you have questions about the content, feel free to ask. No, no question? Okay.
So I will continue maybe. Is there any question? I will continue with the admission process. Oh, maybe if you can say a few words about Le Havre. Maybe.
Yes. So Le Havre is a big city in Normandy. As Adèle said earlier, it's one of the main ports in France. First one is in Marseille, in the south of France, and in the north of France, we are the first. That's why we are very logistics courses oriented, because we have many headquarters in logistics in Le Havre. And the new campus, as you can see on the picture, is going to be very modern and very nice. So it's going to be very pleasant to study in it. And another good point is that it is very well located, because we are just next to the station. We are just at the entrance of the city. As you can see in the picture, we are just in front of a little port, so which is nice. Just around, you have a big mall with all shops and cinema and restaurants. So that's nice to walk around. And you are very close to downtown and to the beach, because we have a nice beach in Le Havre. The other good news is that we are in a very beautiful region, Normandy. So if you just go 20 or 30 kilometers far from Le Havre, you will discover many nice villages and small cities. Maybe you already know, because they are worldwide known as Étretat, Honfleur, or Deauville. So it's very interesting to study there. And we are only 2 hours far from Paris, just going with the train. We have many trains every day. So I think that's a good location to come to France and study.
Okay, thank you. So I will say a few words about the admission process. So as you may know, you must be under 22 years old to apply for this bachelor. You must be holding or be in the process of validating high school degree equivalent to baccalaureate. And we are also requesting English test, so the TOEIC 750 or IELTS 5.5. If your English test centers are closed now due to the COVID-19 situation, you can take the online English test with us. Actually, we have a partnership with a platform, Easy Speaking platform. So don't hesitate to ask to the person in charge of your file. We can organize this English test for you, and this is online. So the online application is very easy. You just need to go on our website, on the page of the bachelor. You can fill up the form online and upload all your documents, CV, cover letter, degree, transcripts. Once you have done that, you will be asked to pay application fees of 50 euro. And then you will receive an email to schedule the online admission and interview with the professor in charge. Once you have done your interview, if you are selected, then you will receive an email, admission email, asking you to pay a deposit in order to confirm your seat. This is very important because the batch can be full, so you need to confirm your seat. So the tuition fees is about 7,000 euro per year. And you can also ask for any scholarship, or it's more like a discount on the tuition fees. So don't hesitate to ask if there is any scholarship available to the person in charge of your file. Yes, I think that's it for that. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the chat. So just below the screen. And few information about the services for international students. So actually right now, if you have any question about visa application, don't hesitate to ask to the Campus France office in your country. There are Campus France offices everywhere in every country, and they are aware about the visa application process and all the documents that you need to provide. So don't hesitate to ask them. They are quite easy to reach. They have a website as well. And once you will be on campus, there are two main interlocutors in the school for you. We have what we call the hub, which is the administrative department. So they will be here to support you with all the accommodation matters. And also they will help you with the renewal of your permit of stay, and also everything with regarding administrative registration. So this can be very helpful once you will be on site on the campus. We have also what we call the International Relations Office. They are organizing airport pickup. So this is shuttles who are coming to Paris airport for you. And they are bringing you to the campuses in Normandy, in Caen and in Le Havre. They are also organizing orientation days before the beginning of the classes in September. So this is 3 days information session days where they are giving you all the information about the school, but also about all administrative steps upon arrival. So you will get to know how to open a French bank account, how to register to healthcare system, etc. So this is very helpful for you. And also you can meet other international students during these few days. And we have also one Global Village Student Association, which is dedicated to international students. So they are also organizing a lot of events and cultural events. And this is quite good for you to meet other international students, but also French students. Okay, I think there are a few questions in the chat. Ah, okay. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask us, actually. So this is my email address, so don't hesitate to send us an email. And you can also have a look on the EM Normandy Business School. So thank you for attending the webinar. So I think there is
yeah, I think there's no question, so maybe
there is no question.
Stop.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye.